floor plan below is a design from one of Perth's leading home builders, Celebration Homes. All measurements are in meters. What is the area of the alfresco? Well, just in case you can't see it on this small diagram, I've got a slightly increased version. So it's 3.4 meters by 3.2 meters. And we can see it's a rectangle, so 3.4 times 3.2 gives us 10.88 square meters. And we should put the calculation down really. So 3.4 multiplied by 3.2 equals 10.88 square meters. Bedroom 1 is to be carpeted, and the cost of the carpet is $52.80 per square meter. What is the cost of carpeting the room? Well, first of all, we want the area. So let's look at bedroom 1. I've got a blown up version, and it's 4 times 3.5. So the area is going to be 4 multiplied by 3.5. So 4 times 3.5 gives me 14. So it's 14 square meters. Each square meter is going to cost $52.80. So the cost is going to be 14 multiplied by $52.80. So 14 multiplied by $52.80 gives us $739. It says 0.2, but remember we're dealing with money, so we need to give that as 20 cents. Bedrooms 2 and 3 are to be carpeted with a lower grade of carpet costing $43.90 per square meter. What's the cost of carpeting these two rooms? So what we want is the total area of the two rooms. So bed 2 is 3.1 times 3, and then we'll add that to the area of bed 3, which is 3.2 times 3.1. So 3.1 times 3, add 3.2 times 3.1, giving us 19.22 square meters. So the cost is going to be the 19.22 multiplied by the cost per square meter. So just need to calculate that. So just multiply the last answer by 43.9. And that gives me, we're going to have to round this one. So that's going to be $843. And to the nearest cent it would be 76. Bedroom 1 has cornicing running around the top of the room, so that's going to be around the whole perimeter, not area this time. So it needs to span the whole perimeter. It costs $23.50 per meter. What's the cost of cornicing? So let's bring our bed 1 diagram back in. So we're going to want to know the perimeter to start with. It's a rectangle, 4 by 3.5. So if we walk along there, that one's 3.5, and then 4, and then 3.5, and then 4. And if we add that up, that comes to 15 meters. So the cost is going to be 15 multiplied by 2350. and that is $352. And again, not just 0.5, 50 cents.